In this video, I will show you how to create Temu account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the Temu app. So you can do this on the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone. So you want to find the app just using the search box. Then you can go ahead and install this onto your device. So once the app's installed, what you're going to want to do is press the blue open button just to go ahead and open up the app on your device and accept the privacy policy. So you can start shopping straight away on Temu. You don't have to create an account straight away. But to go ahead and actually create an account, if you look at the bottom in the middle, you're going to see this picture which says you, so this little icon here. Just go ahead, give that a press. And then what you need to do is press onto the orange sign in register button just here. So what you can do is create an account from scratch, or alternatively, you can do a quick sign up with Google, Facebook or X, or there are some other options if you're on an iPhone. So what you want to do is just go ahead and enter your details into here. So I'm going to create one from scratch. What I'm going to do is enter my email into this box. And then it's going to ask you to create a password. So you just want to go and do that next. Once that's done, all you need to do is press the orange register button at the bottom. And what it's going to ask you to do now is go ahead and enter a phone number. Once you've done that, just press the orange submit button underneath, and what's going to happen, they're going to send a code to your mobile phone number, so you want to have that to hand and enter the code into here. Once you've entered your code, your account is now good to go. You should have an account created and you'll be able to use it straight away. You're also going to get a confirmation email. That is a quick overview on how to create Temu account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.